Have you ever tried creating the same character across multiple AI images only to get a completely different face every single time? Different eyes, changed hairstyle, wrong outfit. This is the biggest frustration in AI image generation, and it is called character inconsistency. Today, I am going to show you exactly how to solve this problem using one of the best free tools available right now. It is called Dzine AI, formerly known as Stylar, is an all-in-one AI image and design platform. But what makes it stand out is its dedicated consistent character feature. This tool lets you lock in a character's facial features, clothing, and proportions, so every image you generate looks like the exact same person, no matter the pose, expression, or scene. And the best part? The basic consistent character feature is completely free to use. No subscription required to get started. If you are finding this helpful so far, a quick subscribe really helps the channel grow. I drop AI tool tutorials every single week. Let me walk you through the exact steps. First, go to Dzine AI and sign up for a free account. Once you are inside the dashboard, find the consistent character option in the global sidebar on the left. Step 1. Upload a clear reference image of your character. This can be a photo, illustration, or even an AI-generated image you already like. Use high-resolution images and try to include different angles if possible for better accuracy. Step 2. Dzine will generate a set of preview images based on your upload. Pick the one that best matches your vision and proceed to training. The AI will now learn your character's unique identity. Step 3. Once training is complete, go to Character Actions and Scene. Here you describe what you want your character to do. Dzine offers preset actions like walking, reading, dancing, or sitting. You can also write custom prompts for specific scenes. Here are some pro tips to get even better results. Keep your character descriptions consistent across prompts. Adjust clothing for the environment, but do not remove style keywords. Use the camera option to control angles and shot composition. And choose between fast mode for quick drafts or normal mode for higher precision. Dzine also supports creating a full cast of multiple characters, each maintaining their own identity across scenes. This is perfect for comics, storyboards, children's books, or social media content. In terms of pricing, it starts at just $8.99 per month with 900 credits. And the creator plan at $24.99 gives you 3,000 credits plus video generation tools. Character consistency used to be nearly impossible with AI tools like Dzine. I have completely changed that. If you are a content creator, author, game designer, or marketer, this is a must-try tool. Try Dzine AI for free today. Link is in the description. If this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe. See you in the next one.